Why AI plus crypto is the perfect combo. Because you've got AI automation, and then you've got all of these new crypto opportunities, right? So if you want to learn how to make money online, this is where you want to be. It's where all of the cool kids are hanging out these days. This is not some old outdated method that maybe worked 5 years ago, but doesn't work anymore. No, AI crypto is the place to be because we're riding this huge wave right now. And the people who get in early on this and start learning these skills right now will be the ones who reap the rewards later. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm gonna show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using nothing but AI and crypto. And I'm going to break it down into simple 5 steps that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap that you can take action on immediately and see results fast. Before we get started though, I need to let you know that I've just launched my brand new newsletter called Crypto Income. In this newsletter, I'm gonna share with you my personal wins and losses making money with crypto and AI, so that you don't have to learn these lessons the hard way like I did. I'm also going to share with you exclusive deals, bonuses, discounts, free guides, and so much more. The first 100 people to sign up are gonna get a free copy of my AI Crypto Income Playbook, which is gonna walk you through step by step exactly how to do what I'm sharing with you in this video, but with even more details and examples. So make sure to sign up using the link in the description below. Okay, so now that we're all on the same page, let's dive right in. So I actually made a full video on how to make $100 a day online. You can check out that video after this one if you want to learn more about different ways to make money online. But today we're focusing on AI and crypto because that's where the hottest opportunities are right now. And when it comes to making $100 a day specifically, that breaks down to about $3,000 a month, which if you ask me, it's very achievable even for complete beginners. Now, obviously $100 a day is not going to make you a millionaire overnight. It's not going to change your life instantly. But what I will say is that once you earn that first $100, you'll realize that it is possible, and then you can set new goals for yourself like $200 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day. And that's where you really start to see some major progress and change in your life. So here are the 5 steps that you need to take to make your first $100 a day using AI and crypto. Step no. 1 is to choose a niche. Now, when it comes to AI and crypto, there are 3 main niches that you can choose from. You can choose AI tools, you can choose crypto projects, or you can choose a hybrid of both. Some examples of niches could be building trading bots, creating NFT AI art, generating crypto content using AI, doing affiliate marketing for AI tools, or even freelancing your services using AI. There are endless possibilities, so choose something that you're interested in and that you think there's a demand for. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to pick an income stream. And here again, there are a few options available to you. First, you can stake or farm crypto. This is basically where you put your crypto into a wallet or a pool and earn interest over time. This is a great option if you already have some crypto saved up, but it's not really an option if you're starting from scratch. Another option is to create AI-generated digital products. So this could be in a book, an online course, or even NFTs. With this option, you need to create the product once and then you can sell it over and over again. So this is a great option if you're looking for a passive income stream. A third option is affiliate marketing. So with this option, you would promote other people's products or services and earn a commission on any sales that you drive. This is a great option if you're good at marketing or if you have a large social media following. Finally, you can freelance your services. So if you're good at something like writing, graphic design, or web development, you can use AI to enhance your skills and charge more for your services. This is a great option if you're looking for a more flexible income stream. And lastly, you can create content. So with the help of AI tools, you can create valuable content that can be monetized with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. This could be done through YouTube, blogging, newsletters, or even social media. Again, this is a great option if you're good at writing or if you have a large social media following. All right, so now that you've picked your niche and your income stream, it's time to automate using AI. Now I'm sure you've heard of ChatGPT by now, but there are so many other AI tools that you can use to automate your workflow and save yourself a ton of time. For example, you can use Midjourney to generate images for your AI or NFTs. You can use Notion AI to generate blog post ideas or outlines. Or you can use Jasper to generate entire blog posts automatically. Once you've identified the tools that you need, it's time to start automating your workflow. If you're creating digital products, for example, you can use AI to generate the text or images automatically. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you can use AI to generate product descriptions or landing pages. Or if you're creating content, you can use AI to generate titles or even scripts. So with AI, you can really automate a lot of the repetitive tasks involved in making money online so that you can focus on the more important aspects of your business. Once you've automated your workflow, it's time to set up monetization. This means setting up a payment processor like PayPal or Stripe, setting up affiliate links, listing your products for sale, and getting paid for the work that you've done. If you're using crypto, you need to set up a wallet and connect it to your payment processor. If you're using PayPal or Stripe, you can easily do this by following their instructions. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you need to sign up for an affiliate program and create a link to track your traffic. You can do this by following the instructions provided by the affiliate program. If you're selling digital products, you can use a platform like Gumroad, Teachable, or Ko-fi to set up your store. If you're using crypto, you can use a similar platform, but based on blockchain technology like Celsius, Gitnix, or Bonfire. You can also set up Google Analytics to track your traffic and see how much money you're making over time. Now that you've set up monetization, it's time to scale and optimize. This is where you start reinvesting your earnings back into your business. So whether that's buying paid tools or running ads, it's important to start thinking about how you can grow your income even further. One way to do this is by reinvesting your earnings into paid tools. So if you're using AI to generate images, for example, you might want to invest in a tool like Adobe Photoshop to edit those images. Or if you're using AI to generate text, you might want to invest in a tool like Grammarly to edit that text. Another way to scale is by running ads. So if you're creating content, for example, you can run ads to get your content in front of more people. Or if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can run ads to drive traffic to your affiliate links. You should also consider automating repetitive tasks. So if you're doing something manually that takes a lot of time, see if there's a way to automate it using AI or other tools. And finally, always be tracking your results. Use Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or other tools to track your traffic and see what's working and what's not. Then adjust your strategy accordingly and continue optimizing for better results. In terms of realistic timeline for hitting that $100 a day, market really depends on a few factors like how much time you can commit to this, how much money you can invest in tools and ads, and how consistent you are with your efforts. Generally speaking, though, if you stick to it for 7 to 30 days with consistency, you should be able to hit that $100 a day mark. Of course, some people might do it faster and others might take longer, but that's just the nature of entrepreneurship. Some people are just more naturally gifted with this than others. Before we wrap up, I wanted to include a proof or case study section if you have any. So I'm going to now show you a quick example of someone who has already made money with AI and crypto using the exact steps that I shared with you in this video. This could be a screenshot of your own results or a testimonial from someone else. I'm also going to add a call to action at the end of the video. So if you want to subscribe to my channel or download your free guide to making money with crypto and AI, you can include a link to that here as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.